What is up guys, Mr. Mickey here. Today I'm in Halifax. I'm going to be doing the Halifax Swimming Baths, soon to be demolished. So yeah, hopefully we can get some access inside. Looks like all security cameras have gone now, and I can hopefully find an entrance. So as you can see, they put all these bricks and stuff up here. Protect all windows, they're all getting smashed before. Danger, unsafe building, stay out. Site office and toilet. So yeah, we're coming up to main entrance where, well, sorry, main entrance used to be. It looks like everyone's had a smashing time here. There you go, look. End of an era. So yeah, I might have to do a bit of climbing, but it'd be worth it, by the looks of it. It's even bricked apart windows inside. So yeah, looks like we're in. Oh, we're straight in, man. Doors open. So yeah, this used to be the entrance when you come into the swimming baths. Wow, this is crazy. I can't believe how trashed it is now. This is ready for demo now. So yeah, this used to be an entrance here. Well, where you used to come and pay for swimming and everything else. Wow, I just can't believe the state of it now. I know it's getting demolished, but it's shocking to see. Yeah, that's crazy. So let's go behind the reception area. Wow, just can't believe everything's just been smashed, gone. Wow, we've had the safe door away. I wonder whether that is. Oh, I can't even lift that. Oh Jesus Christ, that is so heavy. I wonder how they got that off there. That's crazy. Some old books and stuff here. I think there's nothing inside them. No, they're all empty.
The old office, reception.
I think someone wanted to take safe door, but they couldn't.
Reception.
feels like Thor's hammer. Try pick it up, lift it from there.
Jesus Christ.
That's heavy, that, isn't it?
Mm.
Proper.
That's just the door.
Amount of money they made here, taking money.
Literally took the safe door.
We've got a shutter here as well, still. A bit strange. Left the shutter behind. Scrap. Depth 500, width, height. But yeah, they did I think it was Happy Valley here, and then this was police station. Reception part. There you go, look, even got some swimwear left. Crazy. And this used to be a gym here. That's the only thing what's left of it now. Wow, so boggy in here. That's crazy. And there you go, it tells you how to do your exercises here. Plank challenge, rowing challenge, bench press challenge. Living in the past. 13, he's been here. So you've got all your mirrors and that over here. Well, some of the mirrors left. There. Let's club together. Crazy. Proper sad to see it like this. I know it's going to be getting soon demolished, but it's took its time, hasn't it? And they're only just starting to build the North Bridge one. Wow, look at that for a safe. The European. So that's where you put cash deposits in or something like that. Wow. Oldest in it.
Yeah.
2020. Schoolhouse, school holidays, Look how many school holidays they have. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's ridiculous, man. We never got out like that when we were kids. Isn't it?
Yeah, they have half a year off.
And then more teacher training days.
Yeah. And it's like, it's a shame us parents can't have that many days off.
No, that's it.
Toilets, don't
Ignore the symptoms. Cervical cancer, woman's toilet, innit? Oof. Oh, that's what they did here. They put foam down toilets. Like if you look here, look. Every single toilet got foam put down it.
Why?
I don't know. If you look at every single toilet, I'm zooming every single toilet, it's got foam down it.
That's nice.
Yeah, I thought they were going to be doing something else here.
Yeah.
Definitely. So that's probably females, this is a bit males. Toilet. It's nice to see them still behind. Urinals. Yep, we have another toilet full. Not drinking water, what is it then? Recycled water. Have you ever built them, those sinks, man?
Why do you feel the need to put hot surface don't touch on a radiator? Oh, well,
Covering them,
was a
yeah,
radiator.
insurance purposes. Yeah. But yeah, look, a straight old speaker up there as well. Looks nice, but natural light down here though.
Rats coming up,
Not much, natural. Lights coming through. You can see where they had original doors and stuff like that into the gym, but it boxed them up over time. Yeah. I remember coming down here when I was a kid, man. It's just crazy when you see all the outside areas you didn't see when you were younger, innit? Ooh, you can smell it in here. Feel like, I don't even know. Another 2021 there. Crazy. Halifax Swimming Pool Programme. Main pool, term only. Who's this guy? Tim Swift. COVID. 2021 it. COVID after.
Halifax Swimming Pool Programmes.
Another little weird room, man. I have to clean stuff properly. What does this say? Items not washed up will remain in this basket for 3 days. Then they will be thrown away, basically. Clean your stuff up. Little cast iron pipe in there. Cut the joints on it.
Oh, that's the floor cleaning.
Yeah, there's some room in it.
Yeah.
Another little sluice room. Would have been a toilet maybe room before. Don't know. No drinking water again. Skylight. No window in it. Toilet room. So the toilet what I got down, phone down it.
You want a toilet room, want it?
A better work balance. So yeah, I used to go that way for males and that way for females. Which way shall we go first? Male side or the female side?
There you go.
Look at the big K up there, man.
Right, I'll peel it from there, innit?
Yeah.
Look there, look.
We're supposed to say this, but the building was supposed to be structurally unsound, that's why they didn't open it again. It cost them too much money. I never found any cracks in the building when they shut it down. So this would have been another sluice room. Do not use spraying bottles.
Private.
Blue for loos, pink for sinks. I like the old sinks here, man.
Yeah.
They need to be safe, them do. I've got a number on it, man. Chemical dilution, do not immerse. Tap into container. Private. So yeah, you would have come down here, you're a female coming into pool. That's downstairs underneath. Find out what he wants to do first. What does that say? So, I don't know, another sluice room I think. Full of water though. Wow. Smells really damp in there, man. Loads of damp. That's the outside there, fire exit sign. No outdoor footwear beyond this point.
So I like to see this room pool.
What do you want to do, pool or underneath first?
Yeah, we'll go round and go underneath first.
That's underneath here.
Right.
So,
Yeah.
yeah, that's just a sluice room in there, but it's just all wet. So,
Right.
yeah.
Peek,
Just keep fire extinguishers in here. So yeah, we're going to go down the private area. I think that leads us underneath the pool. Fire door keep closed. Tell by the thickness of it. Look at the old switching. The fact it still works, man. Brass switch. That's good, man.
Underneath the workings of the pool.
It's just a concrete block now. Concrete jungle.
Concrete jungle.
It's just mad how thick it is underneath here, look at that.
Somebody left the flip flop.
Wow, here we are, man.
Oh, very bad over here.
Hello. Oh. Imagine they had all machinery on these pads in it. So yeah, have to be careful where we're standing here. It looks clean water though. Wow, some machines still left over there. Just got to be careful where you're walking. Oh, no. Ooh. Ooh. It's just my concrete jungle, man, isn't it?
Why did they put that or why didn't they just leave it with scaffolds?
I don't know. Found a pair of flippers now. Definitely found a pair of flippers. Yeah, it's mad down here, isn't it? Like all channels are cut out and stuff like that. You see pool up there, that big pool area. Imagine how much concrete's down here. Padlock. So yeah, we've got some machines over here. We'll try and get over to them. Wonder if they were like your chlorine machines. Maybe. Oh, oh. Over we go. Oh, we've got steps. Anybody know what these are? The old chlorine machines. Used to create the chlorine, I don't know, pH level in the water. You see the decay up there though, all the rust coming through, all the old pipes, induction system, loads of water, old out. Literally chopped them off, haven't they? All pipe one.
Yeah.
The old floor as well. Yeah, this must have been had like loads of machines over and stuff. Oh, that's what it is. It's a Hartley and Sugden, Halifax, West Yorkshire. 4th of the 10th, 92 it was made. You can see it on there properly. Also it's a bar pressure, so it must maintain pressure or something for the pool. I don't know. There's another one up here. Oh, I wonder what this room is up here. Never been in there before. Smells like they were the old kerosene tanks or something. Can't tell. Yeah, yeah. So you can see how they've cut like a big channel out of it. I don't know if that's to empty it or check what was inside it. Oh no, it's oil inside it there, look. It's probably how they used to heat it. A pair of ladders coming down there. But you definitely see oil in there, so. And you can see colour of it all as well, look. It's definitely been having oil in there for burning, isn't it? Kerosene tanks. Little pumps and gauges in there and stuff. And you can see oil in water contaminating it down there.
Why would there have been oil in?
It'd be for burners in it, for warming it up.
Warming it.
Oh wow. I think Scrapmen. I've seen this. I think Scrapmen's forgot about this. Full length of it, man. I've seen size of it. Goes all the way down, all the way around.
Yeah,
Wow.
definitely missed that one, didn't they?
Yeah. Proper.
Ah.
Wow. Feels like an old chimney in there or something. Gas, danger, electrical work in progress. There's some bits and bats here. Not being all precise thingy in it.
Well,
Cap and die. Or something.
nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Big one at that, innit, one?
Definitely.
Some sort of machinery there, innit? Like manual.
Yeah.
Like a little.
Settling burner
yeah.
thing, isn't it? Yeah, no, that's actually looks like.
Yeah. Wow. Show you what work it does, innit? More belts here, look, for big machines and stuff. Got that old one, man. Snapped obviously, but wow, that's a weird belt, innit?
That's what we're doing.
You know, your little ones here. Got the caretaker's cupboard probably here, innit? Oh. Better his little room on it. Away from everyone looking at them underwater cameras. Yeah. Use them manually, yeah.
Anyway, you have to show me where that switch is.
I'm going to try to find it, yeah.
Apparently there's a switch in it for some underwater cameras.
Isolate your power.
Sounds a little bit naughty, doesn't it?
Definitely does. Oh. I don't know. So yeah, these are like the eerie tunnels. I suppose that might be classed as structural. It's gone down to steel bars, isn't it? And that's a load bearer, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
And then you can see it coming down all here. And obviously there's a lot of moisture in here as well, isn't there? So, and you can see all dots on it as well, what the X's they've put on it.
There's more
Yeah, must be moving then, innit? What do you expect without moisture down here though, innit? It's inevitable what's going to happen, innit? Weird pipes, man. Oh, see daylight. Connect it pool. Yeah, I think they will do, won't they? Yeah. Oi. This looks freaky down here. You must do because they come all the way down, don't they? Weird. Yeah. There you go. Underwater camera switch. Underwater camera system. Do not switch off.
Oh, that's...
There you go. I'll notice that.
Cameras
And
under
they
the
have
water.
and they've got lifeguards all around the pool as well, bearing in mind, so it's not like it's a safety factor.
Yeah, that's strange.
Yeah, that is definitely strange. This was like your bric-a-brac. This is your bric-a-brac room. This Christmas tree.
What are all these?
Cool, wouldn't they? They would have had a string through it, maybe it's like a floater separator, like these here, big circle things here.
They're bigger than that,
Yeah. Oh, I can smell. Oh.
I did used to be in this room. Used to be quite good at swimming, actually.
I've been swimming for a while now, man.
Quite a few strokers when I was younger.
That's it. Acid powder. Oh, I've got cobwebs all over me, like literally hundreds of cobwebs. Oh, I hate cobwebs.
What's that? That's some sort of black light.
Beware, acid.
Black light.
You can see it all probably on the floor here, and that's it. Acid.
Christmas decorations.
Yeah,
Even
cobwebs all around me.
decorations in a pool.
Kosh cleaning chemical guidance, Calderdale Council.
Same one of them.
Aluminium sulphate.
Yeah.
So this way you had all the stuff here, shampoo, toilet soap, bar soap, toilet rolls, combs,
Aluminum sulphate.
deodorant blocks, metal polish. Had everything here, didn't they?
That's acid powder there.
Yeah. And that's all, yeah.
That's acid powder.
Sort of thinking it might be in it, one.
Definitely not going to touch it. Large pack rock salt.
Yeah. I've just got bare cobwebs hanging over me when it's doing maybe. Must have walked into like 1,000 of them. And you've got salt there. Very weird little cupboard there. Mad. Yeah, it looks like there is a store in here, isn't it?
Probably wasn't that sort of picture.
Aye.
Does it look like there might have been some sort of picture?
Oh. Wow. Getting a bit deeper here, innit? Definitely getting a bit deeper.
Oh, shallow, then deeper.
Another massive room again, innit, man? This is a bit of a weird room here. All numbers on that wall. And what did they start putting it all up with? Just most common hand signs. So yeah, they just tried protecting it, haven't they? Building something here, I don't know what for. So your heating floor would have gone here to your pool. Someone's been smashing glass. Maybe a dead end, maybe not. More markings there, isn't there? Yeah, everywhere. We're just in a big circle, aren't we? Camera termination. That is a bit manual. Crazy, isn't it? Proper post-apocalyptic. Yeah. We haven't got to pool yet. Wow. Crazy, man. Plenty of footsteps. More water. Yeah. Steps. You know what they were for? So we'll come back when we're upstairs. Definitely coming down. It's all coming off, innit? Just a concrete block, innit? Changing rooms, but more changing rooms, more changing rooms. This way, yeah, you used to come if you were a woman into this part changing area. So this would have been your cubicles and stuff where you would have got changed inside if you was a lady. And then before you went into the pool, I think you had a shower at end here. There's all your cloakroom and stuff. So you would have come on here for a shower. The shower area would have been here. Toilets are there. But yeah, this would have been your shower area. Look at that, green this. This would have been your shower area there, innit? Once you get out of the pool. Or coming into the pool. So much glass everywhere, man. parents, no outdoor footwear beyond this point. Swimmers have. Yeah. That's why I was like, oh mate, you should see the state of it in here now. Wow, compared to what it was like before. Guys, man, look at the state of this now. Just listen to that. That's so sad to see it like this. Spent plenty of times up there as a kid. Spent plenty of times in there as a kid, man. All these memories are gonna go when it gets demolished. One final look.
Oh, that should have been right, cool.
Diving boards used to be sick, man.
Yeah, man, diving boards all day.
This used to be all your seating area.
Yeah,
Concrete blocks.
in the bottom.
Look at the state of the roof where it's all coming through hot water. All up here, look.
All coming through. And speakers up there.
The temperature gauge there at pool as well.
Yeah.
What time it we checked. There you go. I can't believe how much they smashed this place up, man. Remember climbing in here, jumping in when I was a kid. Wow. Mate, it's crazy this is, man. Sad to see though. Oh yeah, definitely over there. We're 12'6" in it. Or whatever it is, meters. 12, yeah. Exit for women. I got confused, mate. Ladies' changing rooms is down bottom, not at top. That's man's. This used to be little diving board things here, little square like razors here.
Yeah, for your starting goods.
Yeah, yeah. And used to have like lanes in all these big lanes at certain times of day and that.
That's why I used to have to jump off when I was doing swimming club.
Someone trying to start a fire up there. Wow.
What's that? There's lights on upstairs.
Yeah.
There's not that.
This used to be kids' swimming pool here where they used to train them and stuff like that. There you go. Shea Stadium. Learn to scuba dive with Halifax Sub-Aqua Club. Not anymore. Well, when they open it up, hopefully. People just need to stop smashing places up, man. Look at it, look at the state of it, man. Glass everywhere, man. Even floor starting to ripple there, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's it. Relive your memories, man. Remember diving off top board up there, man, plenty of times, man. Wow. And it goes deeper than that as well, innit, man?
Yeah, 12.6.
That is mad.
So there's at least another 6 foot.
Yeah.
Or something. Or maybe.
Mad, isn't it, man? Look at the colour of it.
Although that looks like it's shot on something there.
Mm.
Not too sure.
Nasty water, man. Oh, tile work. Shame you can't get on diving boards anymore, man. This one here, used to have one coming out to about here.
With springboard on it.
Yeah, it was springboard on it. Yeah, it used to be mad as all that, man. Watch people do what they used to do on it, man. But yeah, used to have a big board sticking out there.
Stuck away now.
Isn't it? Gone. When I was a kid and I get up top of there, I used to get scared and then I'd jump anyway.
Yeah.
And now I'm looking at it, I'm thinking, mate, that's not even that bad.
It's not even high. No. It looks higher, it don't look that high when you're here, but when you get up it...
Yeah, you're looking down and everyone's swimming around, you're watching everyone bobbing their head around and you're like, oh mate, start getting that sickness in your belly a little bit. What's that mushroom? Is that, I thought it was a mushroom, but it's one of them things what being stuck down the toilet.
Yeah. Pulling them out at the toilet.
Yeah, ball down there. Loads of stuff, man. At one point they did have loads of paperwork left here, but someone's burnt them all, so that's a bit strange. Because I've called the council, left everyone's name here and stuff like that, and I've like telling them about it before. And it's mad how now all this has just gone to ashes.
Somebody's doing their own benefit.
Yeah. Egg beater, leg kick, travelling sideways with both arms extended above head, 5 metres travelling in one direction.
Synchro frigger grade. Grade 3. Straight ballot like. Barracuda. Walk over back. I don't understand those moments, but I'm sure some of you guys will.
That's it.
I know. Fresh go.
Someone's tried taking it off. And got the socket stuck.
What was that? Is that another diving board? Can't be.
I think it might have been.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's like another one here, yeah. Yeah, there's another one here. Yeah.
Right.
Can anybody remember?
yeah,
I think there were 3 diving boards, weren't there? Yeah.
Some at there and some at there.
Yeah, there's one of them springboards in it.
Would have been here and here,
Yeah, one of them springboards, wasn't it? Maybe that was something else. Maybe that just kept
yeah,
something on it.
they had the small springboard just here, straight off.
Yeah. So yeah, final walk in the swimming pool instead of a swim. Before it all goes and disappears. So many times, so many memories here. Crazy. Let's look at it now. Slowly going. Sad really, innit? Feels weird walking in the swimming pool, no water. See how mucky this water is here. Like, wow. Mental, innit? So yeah, your old badminton hall, and your viewing platform up here. Yeah. So yeah, we played badminton. This is a chance to last look at it the last time. Badminton, what they used to take, what I can't remember what to call it now. See the flooring and stuff. Is it badminton, not bad? Squash, that's it, yeah, something like that. I don't know. Anyone knows in comments, let us know. You can see how many times balls have been hit off there, can't you? Such a big area though. Yeah. No sign there, that's what we're hoping for. Customer notice. When they did, I think it was the Happy Valley when they did the TV programme here.
Yeah.
They put these signs up, court 1, as if it were a court.
Yeah.
And another one, another room like we just seen a second ago. No viewing platform, there's a little viewing platform on this one. Not full length. Yeah. One spot over years worth of decay, hitting balls in it.
Bottom line, so you don't have to play this game. Did you used to have to get above that or something?
I think so, yeah. Must be in it, yeah.
Because that seems to be the way up balls.
Yeah, anyone let us know in comments. Yeah, maybe. Physical company.
One of the rackets smelling down. Oh, the cover for a racket.
So as you can see, it's a bit decayed now, but gone. Crazy.
What was this?
Gym part.
Right.
I think they had saunas and everything upstairs and stuff.
What's your room there?
No. We'll go up from here. Squash spectators.
Right. Spectators this way.
So this would be your viewing areas, innit? What would be your viewing areas. Office, watching squash. Mad. Yeah, our windows are pretty much smashed up in here and stuff. Mad. Onwards we go. We'll kick the door off here. Literally.
Wow.
So yeah. This would have been your sauna area here. These are your saunas. Steam rooms out there, saunas, steam rooms, whatever you want to call them. Change your steam outlet at foot level. Wow. That one looks mouldy inside, but how many people can get inside there? Must be a fair few people can get in there. Wow. Towel dry here.
Sauna, paving. Oh, that's proper sauna.
Yeah, Nordic.
Proper sauna, this one.
I don't know, we'll probably if there's someone here, we'll bump into them, won't we? Just a little.
There you go. Mr. Mickey, I've done this before.
To operate locker. Place clothes inside.
Mr. Mickey's channel and have a look at what it like.
Little machinery up there. Staff only. Put keys here.
The still must be kept locked at all times.
It's like a Bain Marie thing in it, like all the way down to the cellar. Wow.
Put keys here.
Comes up just this level. Crazy. Try it again. Onwards we go. This is the book entrance anyway. This is where you used to come and watch everyone swimming. So yeah, this would have been viewing area basically when you were watching people swim or whatever. All seats are missing though, literally all gone, all down there. Cool. I've been trying to protect it over time, but I think it's getting to that point now where it's up for a demo soon, so you're not bothering with it. Demolition's got what they need out of it and that's it. And so many words in it. So onwards we go. Whether you can get out here or not, I don't know. Yeah. I think this leads down to the pool, but I'm not sure. Bit of traffic outside. This is the female side of it. Just a weird room with some weird stringer. That's a bit weird, isn't it? Sinkers.
Pub.
Anybody watching in comments used to work here in 2011? Is this all your handprints left over from staff? Let us know in comments below. It's a bit mad just left behind, isn't it? Mad. There's a colour. Warning, CCTV in operation. So that's it for this one, but I hope you all enjoyed it. Like I said, it soon is getting demolished anyway, so maybe it last video, who knows. But don't forget to drop a like, comment and share. Peace out.